Welcome to the garden. Today the ground is finally starting to thaw, which means we can start planting directly into the garden. Lettuce, spinach, carrots, radishes, broccoli, beets, parsley, and dill. I've already removed the leaves that insulate over winter, but we're actually keeping the ground frozen. That's a chunk of ice. So I'll go in and fluff the soil just to make sure it's nice and light. We're just kind of aerating the first couple inches. It'll make it really easy for our seedlings to send out new roots. I'll pick up all these leaves and old roots and stems, and I use the same method for any seed that's around this size. But I'm just gonna sprinkle them onto the surface of the soil until they're evenly spaced. And it's good to use the recommended seed spacing, at least as a guideline. So I'm just fluffing the surface of the soil. This will bury those seeds to the perfect depth, and then I'll just smooth it over like that. If we do have any seeds that didn't quite get buried, we can just press them into the soil. Larger seeds like beans need to be planted a little bit deeper. And I like to soak them overnight so they don't have to rehydrate in the soil. And we need to plant them about an inch under the soil. So I'll poke a little hole with my finger and drop in one bean. So I want to aim for about a 4 to 6 inch spacing. I'm also out uncovering our perennials like rhubarb. I don't see any asparagus yet, but we just uncovered them today, so there's plenty of time. And this time of year we always have chives. It's one of the first plants to sprout. But I'm surprised to see the Greek oregano. So I hope you can get out in the garden this weekend and do something fun, relaxing, and productive. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.